support of PM, the yoga has reaches the masses and scientific community is accepting. Researches are going on the preventive, promotive and curative aspects of yoga. Many projects we are running in collaboration with AIMS Delhi, AIA Delhi and AIMS Delhi. They both are collaborating with the Indian roots, which we were very strong in our roots. But due to certain reasons, colonization and many other things, they have been suppressed for around 200 years. But now they have come up. भारत हमेशा सोने की चिड़िया रहे, and we are always blessed with the great virtues of Vedic sciences, and yoga is the best science India has given to the world. So by celebrating
Dr. Sharma, how are we integrating yoga into mainstream healthcare and taking it beyond just the wellness centers?
Yes. When the patient, when we are entering our OPD, we are doing the diagnosis through our Ayurvedic concepts as well as with the modern concept. So my patient is safe in my hands. Diagnosis is done. Now the protocol comes with the medicine management and yogic management. So we can shift them into a complementary therapy. And both, many researches have shown in the control group and in the experimental group that yoga results are better. Yoga results are more realistic. They are long lasting. And it gives you a journey towards the health. Because when we are born, most of us are not born with any of disease. No, just remove the congenital part, the congenital diseases. Everyone is born healthy, but we slowly, because of our lifestyle, because of our daily routines, because of our wrong habits, we develop some kind of disorders. And yoga brings you back towards your original, pure nature, the nature you are born with in your mother's womb.
In fact,
so yoga is the journey towards inner self.
In fact, that's another highlight of this year, Acharya ji. In addition to Yog Sangam, Yog Samavesh is also being spoken about, and inclusivity remains a big theme. So how do you ensure that yoga remains truly accessible to all, irrespective of the age groups, irrespective of your background, irrespective of your physical abilities?
Tina ji, whichever religion we belong to, whichever nationality we belong to, whatever age we belong to, and whatever gender we belong to, we all have one common goal in life, and that common goal is Dukhatrah Nivritti Swarupananda Vaptischa. So during our yoga shivers, thousands of shivers and lakhs of people are sitting, and I ask one question: is there anyone who wants to be unhappy, who want to experience pain and sorrow? Nobody raises his or her hand. But when I say, is there anyone who wants to be happy? Everybody raises their hand. Why? Because we have one common goal. We want to be happy.